behavior of human. It's mean good behavior. It is also a point of human value, necessary point of human value, right? Everybody have notebook or pencil with you or not? Just have pen or pencil and any notebook. Okay, so first question is, what are human values? Are you able to see the question at the whiteboard clearly? Please text me yes or no. Yes. Yes, ma'am. No. Priyanshi. No. Try to have a look. Now. Now is it visible? Now Priyanshi, is it visible to you? अब दिख रहा है बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ? Priyanshi Kumari, yes. Okay, Priyanshi. Let's move on. What are human values? We should understand about our values which we have in ourselves. Because in value education, we are getting the knowledge about the certain valuable things, about the positive qualities or characters, so that we should move ahead. Good morning, Roshni Singh. Very good morning. Yes. Everybody, good morning and welcome to you all. Let's move on towards our study, okay? So listen me carefully, please. So human values are very necessary things in our self, because these human values helps us to get success and real happiness in our life. Understanding me? ह्यूमन वैल्यू का मतलब क्या होता है? हिंदी में बात करें तो ह्यूमन वैल्यू मीन्स नैतिक शिक्षा, ऐसी शिक्षा जो हमें महानता की ओर अग्रसर करता है, हमें महान बनाता है, हमारे अंदर अच्छी व्यवहार, अच्छे विचार, अच्छे आचरण का संचालन करता है, उसे नैतिक शिक्षा कहते हैं। और वही वैल्यू एजुकेशन का हम क्लास आज कर रहे हैं, है ना? आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है? यस मैम जी। आप लोग सब नोट डाउन भी करेंगे, जो जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और पॉइंट्स मैं बोल रही हूँ वो सब नोट करेंगे, क्योंकि आप सबों को मैं होमवर्क दूंगी, तो जैसा हम पहले भी करते हैं, होमवर्क में आप लोग बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स लिखते थे, बहुत ही एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ, वैसे ही आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन करके होमवर्क नोटबुक में लिख के रखना है। And when we will meet again in our beautiful school, then I'll sure check your notebook and homework, okay? Yes. I will answer this question in with my views. You have to explain it with your point of views also. मैं इसका आंसर लिखूंगी, आप लोग उसको और एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं अपने पॉइंट्स के साथ, अपने व्यूज के साथ, ठीक है? So move on. Write the answer. Human values are the positive qualities which guide us to have right understanding, so that we can achieve the real success and happiness of our life. Are you able to see all the things clearly, please? We also write your answer. Okay. After write is understanding. It is understanding. Ma'am, what have you written after guide? Guide us. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again and again. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry and write down properly. So, what are human value? Human values are the positive qualities. Just focus towards these two words, positive qualities. Human values are the positive qualities which guide us to have right understanding so that we can achieve the real success and happiness of our life. If you will read this answer again and again 1 or 2 times, you can understand it very well, and you will sure implement these things in your life also. Okay, ma'am, what have you written after guide? After guide, it is us, us. Okay, which guide us to have right understanding so that we can achieve the real success and happiness of our life. Now I hope you understood all the things what I have wrote over the whiteboard. Yes, okay ma'am, okay, that's nice. It means you are getting me clearly. Right, good. Adya saying, my voice is low. Now voice is clear. Abhijay, now my voice is clear or not? Yes ma'am, okay. So have you noted down the answer of this question? What are human values? Abhijay, yes ma'am, okay. So, do you know the meaning of human value in Hindi term? ह्यूमन वैल्यू को हम हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे? क्या समझते हो आप ह्यूमन वैल्यू से? हिंदी मीनिंग किसी को पता है? जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी. आप लोग लिखें, आंसर करें. Of what? Human value means of human value in Hindi. Okay, let me to answer. The meaning of human value, we can say in Hindi, मानव मूल्य. हर इंसान, हर एक जानवर, चाहे वो पक्षी के रूप में हो, किसी भी रूप में हो, हर एक पौधे, पेड़, हर जीव जंतु का अपना एक मूल्य होता है. उसी को ह्यूमन वैल्यूज कहते हैं. ठीक है, गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन, वेरी गुड, क्वालिटी ऑफ पर्सन, डिफाइन anybody's value, correct, right answer. Okay, so today's class is mainly focused upon the human value, because in value education we are just focused towards our good qualities, good characters, so that we can develop the sense of morality and achieve our real success and happiness of our life. Okay, hope you all noted down the answer of this question. Let's move on. Whatever written here, the positive qualities. और positive qualities को हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे बच्चों? पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज, सकारात्मक गुण, अच्छे आचार, अच्छे अच्छे विचार,